Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your GX460 maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm your odometer is showing the Trip A display. If it's not, cycle through the display modes until you find it. Once Trip A is visible, turn the ignition completely off. This sets up the next step for a successful reset. Now let's perform the reset. Press and hold the odometer reset button firmly. While still holding that button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes, then 000000 will appear on the display. Once you see the zeros, you can release the button. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. After all that car work, you might be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To confirm the reset, start your GX460 engine. The maintenance-required light should now be off. If the light remains on, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, ensuring each step is followed precisely. This method is reliable for clearing the indicator after your service. Keeping up with your vehicle's maintenance schedule is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.